Create this amazing ad poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select 736 by 920 pixels. First, change the background color to cream white. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the color codes. Upload the Sprite can. Import the image. Rotate it to 10 degrees. Go to Edit and increase contrast to 50, vibrance to 50 and sharpness to 100. Go to Elements and add a lemon slice. Go to Edit and increase the sharpness to 100, clarity 100 and saturation 20. Remove the background, also remove a lemon slice. Rotate it and adjust the size and position. Duplicate the lemon. Add another lemon slice. Go to Edit and make it 50% blurry. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this lemon and place it top right corner. Go to Elements and add a leaf. Go to Edit and apply the Belvedere filter. Duplicate the leaf. Go to the position and drag both leaves under the can image. Go to Elements and add a price tag. Change the color to navy blue. Add a text. Write the product price. Change the font to Anton and color white. Go to Elements and add a couple of shadows under all the elements. Go to the position and drag the shadow under the elements, and do this with the rest of the elements as well. Click here and add a new page. Add a text. Make it uppercase and apply the Anton font. Duplicate this text. Change the color to green. Download the text with a transparent background. Upload the downloaded text. Double-click on the text, then press and hold the Shift key and make it taller by stretching. Go to the position and drag it under all the elements. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get this design template, just comment below. Thanks for watching.